good.
See.
Good job. Next.
Galing ah.
Very good yan. Oh. Pag ganyan ang ganyan, magkakasundo kami niyan. Walang bubugan, no? Walang paluan. Dali, dali, do it na.
Palo.
No, no. Do it na. Dito. Dali na, dito na. Daming arte. Oh, may Makati naman. Ah, dali. Dito na, baby A. Dali, here.
I got a teacher.
Oh, hindi. Si teacher, sabi ni teacher, gawin mo.
See.
Ayan, very good. Oh, next. Here. Baby A. Pinalalamon pang lampas-lampas. Pag lampas buburay, kala mo naman hindi lampas ginagawa. Dali mo na. Do it. Pag lampas, ay, lampas. Tapos buburay. Kala mo maayos yung ginagawa. Eh. May nalalaman pang lampas-lampas eh. Oh, good job. Very good. Oh, you can do it.
Oh.
Ah, dali, go, go, go. Go. Mommy A. Yes, good job. Dali, dali, go ahead. Oh, baby A. Right the baby A. Beside the mommy A. Hindi ba marunong siya, no?
Sira mo ata, pumayag ko ulit.
Ayun ang binibidyo ko nga eh. Lampas-lampas pang nalalaman. Okay na yun. May palampas-lampas ka pa dyan. Okay na yan. Dito na, next na. Dito, next. Dali, mami A, mami A. Dali, anak. Dali. Very good. How about the baby A? Can you do it? Can you write the baby A? Write the baby A. Mommy is sad. Hanap niya si baby A. Dali. No. Bugbog, do you want? Identify the picture. What's this? Ball is start with letter
B.
Very good. Trace the broken lines to form the big letter B. Trace the broken line.
I like a teacher.
Oh, dali. Trace it. Faster.
Take it slowly.
Take it slowly. Ito, baliktad to eh. Pag sinabi kong faster, sabi niya, slowly. Pag sinabi kong slowly, nasabi niya, faster. Ano talaga eh. Masunurin talaga eh. Sarap sampalin eh.
Sayo.
Dali. Ano mo na.
Ano yun ah? Dito, Superbook.
Oo.
Sayo.
Dalian mo na. I-trace mo na yan. Trace it. Trace it. Next. Ganon. Down, then pabuntis. Buntis. Madali. Down. Buntis. Buntis. Dali, next.
2, 3.
You can do it.
1, 2, 3.
No, next. 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 Here.
Okay, set down. 2, 3.
Next.
Oh no! No, Mama, siya baba. No, Mama. Siya baba.
Good job. Next.
Oh no! No, Mama. Siya baba. No, Mama.
Listen as your teacher reads the name of the colors. Red, blue, green, orange, yellow, violet, brown, pink. Color the pictures correctly. This is red, violet, brown, orange, yellow, and green. Dali, color mo na. Dali, color mo maayos ha. Dali na. Color it red, the apple. Slowly lang ha. Maayos.
Don't lampas, don't lampas.
Yan, ganyan. Yan, very good. Oh, next. Violet. Get the violet. Oh, yan. Ito naman. Ano to? Yan, slowly. Yan. Oh, next. Brown. Get the brown.
Alam niya ta.
Ha?
Alam niya.
Alam niyo na yun. Marunong nga magbilang Tagalog eh.
Isa ka na.
Slowly lang. Oh, next, orange. Orange. Ito, pinutol mo. Orange. Ayan. Next, yellow. Next, green. Connect with a line the pictures with the same color. Oh, where is the same color of the red? Nasaan dito yung same color niya? Flower, what is the same color here? This one?
No.
This one?
No.
This one?
No.
What color is this? Oh, yes. Oh, connect mo. Connect the line. From here to here. How about green guava? Where is the same color? Connect the line. Connect it. Wow, good job. How about the banana? Where is the same color? Connect with the line. Connect with the line. Yellow banana. Oh, connect mo. Ano yung same color niya? Ano yung same color? Find the same color. Very good. How about this one? Oh, where is the same color? Oh, dali. Connect mo. Same color. Yan. Ito. Saan ang same color niya? Oh, nasaan? Ito, wala. Ito. Nasaan ang same color? Very good. 1,
Oh my god, it's trees.
2.
Trees.
Okay, trace it.
Trees.
Next.
Trees. Huh? Oh no. It's lampas.
Ay, lampas. O, dalian mo.
Hindi mo na nililito to.
Oo. Ginawin niya yan, nilima kami. Dali na, do it na. Kuya mo nga una niya binanggit dyan.
I love it. I like it.
Next. Next. Next.
Tree.
Yes.
A teacher.
Opo.
A teacher.
Okay, I'm your teacher now.
Oh. And then
Next. C. Small C. Small C.
Lampas.
Ay, lampas. It's okay. Oh, do it. Can do it. Small C. Yes, very good. Next. Small C.
Oh, lampas.
It's okay. Ayan, next. Mami C. Wow, good job. Next. Very good. Next. Good job. Very good. Good job. Here. Wow, very good. Mommy's so happy. My baby C. Baby C. Wow, very good. Next. Baby C.
Oh, lampas.
Ay, lampas. Lampas. Madali, do it na. Very good. Oh, next. Next. Write the big letter C and small letter C. Very good. Oh, baby C. Okay na yan. That's good. That's good. Here. No, no, no. It's okay.
No.
Good job. Oh, baby C. Very good. Dito pa. Next, dito. Mommy C. Baby C. Very good. This one. Mommy C. Baby C. Very good. Next. Mommy C. Baby C. Very good. Next. Next.
Mommy, something.
Very good. Good job. Oh, here. Pababa ng pababa, ah. Describe the picture below. What is this?
Dog.
Dog start with letter
D.
Very good. Can you trace the broken line? Trace the broken line.
And a teacher.
Opo. Trace mo na.
A teacher.
Yes. Sabi ni teacher, trace the broken line.
1, 2.
Very good.
Down. Lampas.
Ay, lampas. May palampas-lampas pa yan, oh. Pag lampas yan, may palampas-lampas pa yan.
Ah.
Next.
Ano? Ano is lampas?
Dalawa. Next.
Ano pa?
Next. Next na.
Oh no, lampas.
Palampas-lampas pa eh. Okay lang lampas. Kala mo naman ang ayos ng ano. Pagkakasulat. Dali na.
Down.
Yan. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Dalian mo na.
Lampas.
Baga. Lampas-lampas pa. Yan na. Dalian mo na. Ganun. Pabilog. Pabilog pa letter C. Madali guhit pababa. Tapos, pa letter C. Pababa.
Ako pa.
Pa letter C.
Dalawa kasi.
Yan. Next. Next na. Next na. Dali. Next. Guhit pababa. Pa letter C. Dali na. Okay na yun. Dali na. Guhit pababa. Guhit pababa. Guhit pababa. Pa letter C. O, dali. Guhit pababa.
Teacher.
Everything was indeed going well. Tuloy na tumataas ang mga views nito at patuloy ding dumadami ang mga tagahanga nito, reaching his first 1 million subscribers noong early 2021.
Dali na. Go na.
Parang wala na tayong
Yes. Trace the broken line.
Down.
din ang pagbalik ng mga tao dahil sa pagbabalik nito at lalong-lalo na ang mga kaibigan nitong mga content creators. Welcome back, Tolls. Talaga namang maligaya kaarawan. Talaga naman.
Write the big letter D.
Oh, no.
It's okay.
Doon mapapansin
Oh, dali, go.
natin ang pagbaba ng
You can do it.
views. Hindi din natin may tatago na dulo
Guhit
ito ng
pababa.
matagal na interval ng kanyang mga
Yan.
vlogs na
Oh, next.
cycle na ayon
Guhit
sa
ka muna. Guhit pababa. Gawa ka ng ganun. Oh, next.
Baby.
Mami, di pa.
Eh, mapapansin naman natin na simula
Mali, baliktad.
ay nakatuon na
Guhit muna. Tapos, pa ganun. Guhit. Pa ganun. Oh, next.
Huh?
Dali. Guhit. Guhit. Oh, sige.
Hindi ko alam actually. Hindi ko alam. Ano
Oh,
ba yung
dyan.
pwedeng video?
Guhit. Oh, tapos ganun.
Sinasabi natin
Dali.
comeback video.
Kahit ganun.
King ko.
Dali na.
Laking
Ito na, oh.
kulay. Hindi ko.
Kamusta ka na? Nakakamiss kayo.
Dali na. Go
King
na.
kulay. Hindi ko.
Normal na tao.
Oh, dali na. Go na. Dali na. Gawa ka na. Oh, dito. Mami D. Mami D. Do it. Mami D. Guhit pababa. Ayan. Very good. D. Ayan. Very good. No, it's letter A. That's wrong. Gawa ka ng letter C. Tapos guhit pababa. Letter C. Guhit pababa. O, ikaw nga. Gawa ng letter C. Tapos guhit pababa. From top. O, next. Dito naman. Letter C. Mali. Di ba tinrace mo na? From red to blue, tas from blue to blue. Oh, letter C, tas from blue to blue. Oh, dito. Dito. Yan. Oh, guhit pababa, gawa ng letter C. Dapat mas malaki yung guhit. Dito, oh, letter C, guhit pababa. O, dali, next. Letter C, small lang. From red to blue. From red to blue. Red to blue. Tapos, guhit pababa. O, ikaw. Red to blue. O, red to blue. Red to blue. Tapos, guhit from blue to blue. From here to here. O, dito. Letter C. Tapos, wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. O, dito na lang. Dito na lang. O, dito. Look, tingnan mo kasi.
I don't like this school.
Tingnan mo kasi, oh. From blue to blue, then red to blue. The letter, big letter D and small letter D. Dito, dali. Do it. Mami D. Mami D. Sige, hindi na yung kailangan burahin. Mami D. Yan, very good. Good job. Oh, baby D. Letter C. Small letter C. From red. Yan. O, from blue to blue. Dito. Dito. Blue to blue. Dito naman. Very good. Baby D. Baby D.
Please stay humble, Josh Kim. I feel this.
Sige na, you can do it.
Huh?
Oh yan, that's okay. Then blue to blue. Blue to blue. Oh, very good. Oh, next. Next.
The lack of uploads makes it
Dito
clear
naman.
things were gold this land. At kung ang pagpaplano
Mami D.
lang ang pag-uusapan, malaki talaga ang
Very
plano sa
good.
buhay ni
Ready,
Josh
you can do it.
Alfonso. Mas kilala bilang si Josh Drake.
Wow,
Si Josh Drake
very
ay unang
good.
namulan sa video
Oh,
ko
Baby D.
na pinamagatang Pang Pang, kung saan makikita natin siyang kasama sila Kong na nagre-react sa isang video na na-notice sila ni Rafi Tulfo. Sa ilang taon na
Tell me something about the picture. What is this?
Ano na po?
Elephant is start with letter.
E.
Very good.
Oh.
Ah. Trace the broken line to form the big letter E. Trace mo na. Yan. Sige, trace mo. Next. 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 Okay na yan, okay na yan. Huwag ka na maglampas-lampas. Dali, ano. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Sulat na. Sulat na. Dito na. Dito na. Trace the broken lines to form the small letter E. O, dali. Trace mo yung small.
Mommy.
O, gawa ng C.
Oh, no. No,
Ganito, oh.
Teacher Baba.
Gawa ng C. Tapos guhit.
No,
Gawa ng C.
down.
Guhit. Ang dali, ikaw nga.
Go down.
Okay.
Go down. Baba.
Good, next.
Go down.
Next.
Baba.
Next. Very good. O, next. Very good, next. Good. Good job. Galing mo naman, ah. Dali, next. Next na. Write the big letter E. Gawa ka daw ng mami E dito. Dali. Dali. You
No,
can do
Mama.
it.
Teacher Baba. No, Mama.
Dali,
Baba.
pababa.
No. No.
Yung pagkakaiba ng
Very good. Dito pa.
No, no, Mommy, I don't like it.
Nye. Wow, very good. Very good. Next. Wow, you write the mommy E. Oh, next. Write the small letter E. O, gawa ng C. Ganto na ko. Di ba tinuro na sa'yo ni mami ganto? gawa ng C. Tapos guhit. Dali, ikaw nga. Dito, gawa ng C. Tapos guhit. Ikaw nga. Dito. Dito ka nga. Gawa ng C. Wow, galing. O, tapos guhit. Para maging E. Ang galing. Dito naman. Good job. Uy, very good. Very good. Dito pa. Very good. The letter, big letter E and small letter E. Dali, can you do it? Here.
Mommy.
Opo, you can do it. Big letter E. Very good O, small letter E. Katabi ng mommy. Letter C. Tapos guhit. Ganun, ganun. O, ganun. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Mauudlot na naman, di na naman ito matatapos. O, next. Mommy E. Okay lang yan. O, connect mo dyan, o. O, ganun. Guhit. Guhit. O, letter C naman, letter E. Small letter E. Letter C. Guhit. Galing dito naman. Mommy E. Very good pala yan Galing mo naman Ang bilis mo naman matuto na ka. Good job. Mommy is so proud. I'm so proud of you.
Yay!
Yes. I'm so proud. Mommy is so happy.
Yay!